President Buhari don't call for Ogbonge peace on top Korean Pennisula Katakata. On top the opening of World Summit 2022, where Universal Peace Federation UPF arranged, when them tag reconciliation and peace inside the Korean Peninsula through multi-sectoral peace-building initiatives for Asia and for the world, President Muhammadu Buhari, where joined other world leaders online on Friday, don yarn say Naija go help the Korean Peninsula reunite together again, sake of say e don tell where the Korean Peninsula don dey ready to enter katakata with each other. President Muhammadu Buhari yarn say we don't enjoy Ogbonge connect with the two Koreans on top trade and commerce, education, cultural exchange and technology. And now why, as it don't reach time for the peninsula to settle their katakata, him go make sure say the settlements go weller.
The Nigerian government encourages and supports every effort to promote understanding and a commitment to peace among the governments and people of both Koreas, and has for a long time maintained relations with them at ambassadorial level.
Muhammadu Buhari come use the opportunity take yarn the world leaders wey follow on top the summit say him administration don plan to cool the katakata wey dey for Obodo, Nigeria unto the matter wey dey shele for northeast Nigeria. Him come talk say dem dey prepare the Nigerian security forces for them to fit cool the security gbege wey dey for the Nigerian society.
We have enjoyed cordial relations with both Koreas in trade and commerce, education, cultural exchange, and technology transfer.
Oga Presido come yarn the Federation say if they welcome to any setup of international ideas on top the peace for the Korean Peninsula Katakata, where the Oga Katakata of UPF, Dr. Hak Jan Han Moon, arrange.
And so, when it comes to what needs to be done to ensure lasting peace on the peninsula, we are happy to be part of it. All countries have one crisis or the other that they are dealing with. What is important is the commitment to arrive at a true and lasting peace through the most peaceful process.
Presido come still yarn them say Nigeria dey open to continuous partnerships with them local and international organizations to achieve Ogbonge peace for the world and make the world leaders put hands to try make the world dey coole.
We shall continue to pioneer and collaborate with all such efforts in resolving conflicts and bringing lasting peace and security to the West African sub-region. We are open to continuous partnerships with both local and international organizations, such as the Universal Peace Federation, to achieve lasting peace in the world. I am optimistic that if we prioritize mutual cooperation and peaceful coexistence, the growth and prosperity of humanity is assured.
Anita Obinome, TMC TV.